Okay, let's take a look at this wiring. See, now there's the tape job that goes to the OVP relay. Kind of looks funky. Looks like somebody did that. I don't know. Could be, and it goes. Okay, so it goes and disappears into this wiring loom down here. Now there's another one. Let's see if we can focus this thing. Right there. And it has a Mercedes emblem or whatever it is sticker on it. It says 129 on it, so that has to be factory. I mean, what the hell? So, I don't know, everything else looks okay. I mean, that's the only two spots I see. It's just this thing here. I have no idea. It says VDO on it. This. And this. Now this car only has 34,000 original miles. I could understand if it's got like 200,000 miles and it's having all kinds of issues, but you know. Anyways, that's the tape debacle. I'm out.